Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a Snapchat in a laptop. So let's start. First, you need to open up a browser and type download Snapchat for Windows. Now, open this website Malavida, the second one here. Click on this download button and download will be started. When download is finished, you will find a folder and after extracting the zip file, you will get this folder. Inside this folder, you will find two softwares. One is Snapchat app and another is BlueStack installer. First, we all need to install this BlueStack on our laptop. Just simply open the installer and follow the instructions. This is how you can install BlueStacks. I'm skipping installation process because I have already installed it on my PC. After installation, all you have to do is to open up BlueStack. Now, we need to install Snapchat in here. For that, click this install app, go to the download folder, and here, select the Snapchat app, then open it. After the installation, you'll see Snapchat here, click on it, and now you can easily log into your Snapchat account from here. So that's it. Hope this helps and see you on the next one.